Hello. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. Did you have toast already? Yes. Ooh. Bye-bye. Ayla, is that Ayla? Oh, it is a birdie. Come on.
Okay.
Who is? Beautiful.
That says. Hello, guys. So this is my birdie. I found another one with my stick. Let's eat. And we got another one. And this is my own. I like it. That is exciting. Jesus.
She said, Kuya. Ayla.
Jesus loves me. Yeah, Jesus loves me. Yeah, Jesus loves me. Oh, my Lord tells me so. Yeah, Jesus loves me. Yeah, Jesus loves me. Yeah, Jesus loves me. Oh, my Lord tells me so.
Hello, go to the toilet. I thought you need to poo.
Take me in the toilet. Take me in the toilet. Mom. Take me in the toilet.
Alright, Indy, take Kuya to the toilet. You want to take Kuya to the toilet? He wants to go. Can you take him?
Yeah.
Yeah. She said, yeah, Alo, go on. Naka-costume pala yung dudong ko, guys, kasi book week. Wala silang parade kasi ano pa naman sila, early learning ba? Yung parade talaga ng book week ng school is sa Friday. Pero pwedeng mag-costume sila Arlo ngayon. Like parang book week nila ngayon at saka bukas and they can dress up. So he is Captain America. Let me see, Kois. Whoa! Meron sana siyang costume na ano. Meron sana siyang costume na Spider-Man. Kaya lang onesie, guys. Pag nag-pee siya, mahihirapan siya. So, ganyan lang siya. Ready? 1. Yeah. Oh, wow. Show me your face. Show me your face, Captain America. And then your shield. Whoa. And then be Ninja Kid Captain America. Alright, again. 1, 2. Do this. Yeah, like that. Oh, like that. Yeah. Hey, bless you. Do that. Wait. Do that, okay? Wait. And then I'll take a photo. 1, 2.
Ooh, scary.
Go look at me.
Tough fight.
Yeah, scary face.
That's not even scary.
Do this, Alo. No, the shield at the front. Like that. Oh. Oh. And then do this, Alo. Do this into your one hand. Yeah, and then shield at the front. Shield at the front.
Yeah.
Yes. Kiss your muscles. Oh, good job, Kuis. You look good.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Alright, bye.
Mama, my good spots.
Daddy's got it in the car. Bye. Say bye to Indy.
Mama, my bear. Bye, Indy.
Daddy's got it.
Bye, Indy. Are you coming?
No,
Why?
I'm staying here with Indy.
But you said the whole family's coming.
No, Friday. The parade. Okay? Love you.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden.
Bye, enjoy.
And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August.
Do you wanna help me get your wipes? I can see it at the front. What is it? Oh, do you want your bowl? Okay. Can you get it? Let me help. Here you go. Yay! Say ta. Thank you, Mama. You're welcome, beautiful. I'll get your wipes, okay? It's at the front. It's here. I ordered lots of wipes. Ayan na. Bilis, di ba? Tingnan nyo yan. To the front, okay? Here, come here. No! Here, to the front! Here, look, look, look. I'll show you. Come on. Peekaboo. Come here, come here. Look. You wanna see the guys? Look, I'll put the guys here. Go, crawl to the guys. Here, follow. Look, where's the guys? Where's the guys? Oh! Where's the guys? I told you. More, more. Here, 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 here. Look, look. The guys are here. Where's the guys? Hello, guys. More, more, more. Look. Oh, guys are here. Come on, Indy. Come on, India. Where's the guys? Good job, beautiful. Yay! Do you wanna help Mama? Come here. Madami to. See? 3 boxes. Alright, come on. Hindi, look. 1, 2, 3. No, don't do that. Come on. Go, 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 go. In, in. Good job. More, more, more. More, go in. Good job. Huy, don't go out. Alright, let's go. Do you wanna help Mommy? We got all your wipes! Nag-order ako niyan, guys, sa Big W. Kasi sa Big W talaga pinakamura. Kahit hindi naka-sale, mas mura siya. $23, $25 lang ata yung isang box. Mas mura pa siya kaysa sa Costco. Mas mura pa kaysa sa Chemist Warehouse. So, kapag nag-order ako sa Big W, kasi pinapa-deliver ko siya sa bahay, nag-order ako ng enough to get free shipping. So, I think free shipping nila is $60 ata. So, tinatatlo ko siya. Mommy will finish her coffee and then we will go out. We'll get Daddy's present. Yes! Is that a good idea? Yes. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Malapit na birthday ng Dada natin. Yeah. When's Daddy's birthday? When is Daddy's birthday? Are you gonna walk? Are you gonna walk already, beautiful? Sus kabuyag. Alright, come on, Mommy, finish her coffee. Let's go. Let's go. Do you wanna go upstairs? Yeah. Stairs. Let's go to the stairs. Come on. Stairs. Stairs. Come on. Come on. Daddy. Daddy. Come on, beautiful. Gusto ko umalis na, guys, para maaga tayo matapos. Tapos, hopefully, hindi ganun ka-busy sa shops. Come on. Let's go na. Bye-bye. See you later. Oy, no, no, don't touch that. Alright, I need to get that. I need to get the lid. Just wait. Suko ra ba? Ay, kasuko. You can't have this. Wait, I'll let you play. Yeah, just wait. Mommy's opening it. Alright, here. What do you say? Ta, ta. Come on, let's go. Down. Good job. And then crawl. Come on. Come on. Upstairs. Good job. Sus, kabuyang may anak ko, baby. Hindi. Hello. Can you see the guys? Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Mommy will just put sunscreen and then I'm done. That's all. Yun na lang natira sa routine natin, be. Okay? That's all. And then we will go. It's currently 9:03. Gusto na sumakay ng car nitong batang to na.
Hindi.
Ayaw na magpababa. Hindi. Say, Mommy. Do you want Mommy's water? What do you want? Moy, ampay gid sa kwinday, eh? Oh, careful. What do you want? You want this? Do you want water? Alright, sit down. On the floor. On the floor. Hey, okay, you play with my water, okay? Here you go. Almost done. Ang goal ko is makabalik dito nang wala pang 11. So, ano lang tayo? Konting grocery shopping. Pero yung pinaka-importante is yung ano ni Daddy nga, regalo para kay Daddy. Well, let's change you and then let's go. Let's check what we have. Gusto ko magnilaga tonight. Oh, we got this. Oh, yeah. Okay, sit down. Play with that. Ooh, whoa. Just wait, baby. Luluto ako ng nilagang pork na naman mamaya. So, let's take this out para ma-cook ang ating pork. I know, babe. I know. We're going. And then chicken. Bili tayong chicken. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. What else? I'm trying to remember what else. All good? Yes? Let's go then. Yes? Let's go. Hey everyone, we're going. Let's bring your toy, your dummy. Ay, wait, sabi. Last na lang talaga. Gusto kong i-on yung dishwasher before kami umalis. Para pagbalik natin, malapit na siya matapos. Last one. Ah, babe, come on. Almost done, Indy. Almost done, okay? Just wait. Hey, baby. And... Good daddy. Tapos hindi ka matutulog. Alams na. Alams ka, B. Peekaboo. It's okay. Mommy's going. Mika ang kay naong ning mami ni mo bay? Be, ang imong mami mika na kay naong kira nimo? Can you sleep please? We're here. Nakakuha kami ng ano, pram parking. Kasi ang aga natin. Dito tayo. So punta tayo Chemist Warehouse diretso, be. Okay. Let's get Daddy's perfume. So, puntahan natin yung Priceline and then Chemist Warehouse. Magkaharap lang sila. I'm pretty sure Chemist Warehouse is cheaper. But we'll just check. Wala masyadong sale. Doon tayo sa kabila. Chemist Warehouse. Alright, perfect. Let's go in. Nakasale lahat ng gusto ni Daddy dito. Ayan, oh. So, yung gusto niya is si Miyaki. Sobrang sale. Sa kabila, hindi talaga nakasale at all. He also like this. The 1 million. That's nice too. And yung mabango Aqua DG, yung mabango din yan. 200 ml, $200. Ito, 125 ml, $80. We got the stuff from Chemist Warehouse. Now, let's go to Kohl's. Ang perfect kasi may sushi hub dito, tas nandun yung Kohl's. So, after Kohl's, bili tayo sushi. Dito na kami sa Kohl's. And my size 3 na nappy pants. So, ito na yung dapat ka-indie ngayon. Nappy pants na eh. Akala ko size 4 siya magsisimula. Ay, size 3 pa lang siya ngayon eh. So, akala ko, ay, matagal-tagal pa siya magna-nappy pants. Pero may size 3 pala. Huggies. Timing na timing, guys. 40% off. Kumuha ako. Ang dami-dami niya pang napis. Ang dami mo pang napis. That's alright. Pero ano, ang hirap nito palitan. Mas maganda kapag nappy pants dire-diretso. Alright, what else do we need? Mag-haul tayo dali. Habang tulog si Inday. Tapos gusto ko din siyang sabayan sa kanyang pa-sleeping beauty. So hopefully after nito makatulog tayo. Bumili akong sushi. So yung display dun, isa lang yung spicy crab nigiri. So meron ako itatry na iba. Yan. I think chicken yan na may avocado. And then tuna sandwich. I always get spicy crab nigiri at saka tuna sandwich from Sushi Hub. I also got sugared peanuts from Charles Worth. Yung tinutukoy ko sana is yung pink. Pero ito yung nakuha ni ate. And hindi ko siya napansin eh nung kinuha niya. Kasi nasa kabilang side siya. So, nakita ko siya sa car na. But it's okay. I still ate it. Dalawang nappy pants. Binili ko na lang siya kasi naka-sale siya. But ang tagal pa nito magagamit kasi ang dami-dami naming nappy. Sa Chemist Warehouse, mura lang ang kanilang milk. So, bumili ako dalawang gatas. Meron pa naman kami dyan, but sa Kohl's kasi 32, doon 26 lang. Or I'm not sure kung naka-sale yun doon. So, I got 2. Bumili din ako nito sa Charles Worth para kay Daddy. Regalo. At saka nandito din yung isa regalo natin sa kanya. So, tago muna natin to. Actually, hindi na kailangan itago kasi alam na niya yung regalo niya. From Kohl's. Hindi na talaga tama to guys. Halos araw-araw talaga kami nasa shops. Bumili ako nito kasi naka 2 for something. And then, bumili akong mga yogurt. Naka 6 for $5 ata to. So, 6 na blueberry, 6 na strawberry yung kinuha ko. Bumili akong tomatoes. Bumili ako 2 corn for our nilaga later. Bumili akong butter. And pork belly. Bumili ako chicken. Ito naka 3 for something siya. So, binili ko na lang din siya. And then, bumili ako 2 condensed milk. Isang light at saka isang regular condensed milk. May gagawin tayo. And then, bumili ako minced pork. Kasi gusto kong giniling. So, when will you go off? 22nd. Matagal pa. So, tonight is, ito, i-direct ko na to sa freezer. Or, i-cut ko muna, tapos ilagay sa freezer. Tapos, chicken tayo bukas. Tapos, pork giniling. I know. Wednesday, magdi-dinner out tayo. Kasi yun nga yung birthday ni Daddy. Okay. It's okay. I'll think about it. So, pagdating ko ng bahay, nandito si Dan. So, after ko talagang iput away lahat ng mga nabili ko, bumaba at sabi niya, kailangan mo itong gawin today. Kasi nga, diba, nag-change name ako. May mga documents na kailangan asikasuhin kasi yung mga bagay-bagay nakapangalan sa akin. So, kailangan i-update and kailangan ng JP. So, punta ako JP, guys. Yung plano kong matulog, wala na, guys. Wala na yung plano na yun. Kain muna ako nito. Tapos, alis tayo. Sabi ko pa matutulog ako. Sabi niya, you have to do this today. Iniwan ko lang si Indy kay Daddy. Kasi mabilis lang ako, guys. Magpapapirma lang talaga ako sa JP. Tapos malapit lang naman. Mga less than 5 minutes away. So, I'm thinking kung meron pa bang kasunod nito. Parang napupuno na yung utak ko sa confused na yung utak ko sa dami ng papeles lately. But I think ito na yung last. I cannot complain kasi most of the paperworks are done online. Ang laking tulong nun sa amin. Sobra. Pero kapag mga ganito lang, syempre, you really have to go see them. For them to see you personally as well. Oh, hello, my love.
Hello, you already left?
Yes.
Okay, I was going to say that you probably should bring your your old passport and stuff that shows your old name.
I got my change of name certificate.
Okay, that might be enough.
Change of name certificate, and then I've got my marriage certificate as well.
And you got your driver's license?
I got my driver's license with a new name.
Oh, I'll see how you go with that. Hopefully that's enough. Alright.
Yep.
Alright, cool. Alright, good luck.
Thank you.
Alright, see you, bye.
Bye. Oh no. Do I need my passport? I'll just go back just in case. Balik na lang ako.
Hello.
I'll just bring it just in case. So, do you know where it is?
I can find out whereabouts. How far did you get away?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, not far.
Just in case.
Yeah. So I just turned around.
So it's in the bag where all the passports are?
Should be.
The one with the holes or one without the holes?
Without the holes will be the current one.
I'll just give you both. Yeah, I got
Okay.
both. No dramas. How about love?
Fine. Yeah, dali natin. Meron akong change of name certificate, but baka maghanap sila ng document showing my single name. So let's bring that. Dadaan na naman ako, boys. Sorry, boys. Me again. Thank you. Sabi, kanina ka pang umaga, pabalik-balik, Jai. Okay ka lang, Jai? I think this is the last. This should be the last one. Kailangan natin asikasuhin. Well, except for my Philippines passport. But we can leave that for next year. Yung ating dual citizenship application. So after ng aking oath taking, I will apply for the Australian passport straight away. And then, pag na-receive ko yun, pwede na ako mag-apply ng dual citizenship. But yun, medyo, hindi yun ganun kadali. Kasi kailangan nating dumayo na ibang state. Wala kaming embassy dito. Wala kaming Philippines embassy dito eh. So, baka next year na yun. Kasi I don't think may insert namin yun this year. I'm back. All done. That was very quick. Very, very quick. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's go. It's just a statutory declaration na ako at saka yung previous name ko is the same. You know, and he didn't ask for my passport. He just asked for my driver's license showing my new name. It was so easy and very, very quick. So it's 11:35. Let's go home, guys. Guys, magsi-6 na. 5:54. Paluto na tong aking nilaga. Nag-usap kami ni Miss kanina. Hindi ako naka-vlog. I know you're hungry. I'll get your rice. Gutom na siya. Where's Daddy? Daddy! Grabe ka. Ako nag-prepare nito. Daddy ka ng Daddy. Grabe na this big. Grabe na this. You need to make sure it's really, really small. The meat. Yep, they made a mess. Toys everywhere. Tinanggal nila lahat ng toys nila sa basket. Nasa floor lahat ng toys nila. Oh, and there is like, do you want this or do you have other food? Can you feed Indy Dada? Yep. Ay, sarap naman. Buyag ng ating ulam. Kain! Finish your food, come on! Because you have a lot of cleaning up to do, kids.
I took something and
Uy, kabuyag ka lang sa sabaw. Oh, Indy's finished! Guys, look! Indy beat you again!
Always, she's always beating these kids. Look at your brother and sister and see how little they are. Look how little they are. They're getting all skinny because they don't eat food.
Daddy.
Yes, princess.
When I'm grown up, I'm going to be 27. When I was grown up, he's going to be 22. When Indy's grown up, she's going to be 21. Though she's going to be the youngest.
She will be the youngest.
Have some soup, babe. It's good.
Sorry?
Have some soup.
Yummy, Mama.
Yummy? That's good.
That's Mommy.
It's hot? Blow it.
Mommy. Look, orange.
Mm-hmm.
It's deep.
Daddy, can we have water, please?
Me too, and water. Daddy is more younger.
Napapadala yung sabaw ko kasi si Indy. Para isahan, luto na lang ba? Para sa lahat. Sarap din ang sabaw kasi din. Sarap higop-higop ng sabaw.
Me. Mommy?